This story is about two men, George Milton and Lenny Small. They are migrant workers who travel together from farm to farm in California during the Great Depression. They are completely different. George is small, smart, and quick tempered. Lenny is hug, very strong, but has a mental disability. He cannot remember things well and acts like a child. Lenny loves to pet soft things like mice and puppies, but he doesn't know his own strengths. He always accidentally kills them by petting them too hard. This gets them into trouble many times. At the beginning, they ran away from a town called Weed because Lenny touched a girl's soft dress and she screamed. The man in the town wants to hurt him, so George and Lenny escaped. They find new work on a ranch near Soledad, California. The boss' son is Carly, a small, jealous man who hates big guys. Carly recently married a pretty woman, but she is lonely and always looking for attention from the other men. George wants Lenny to stay away from her. On the ranch, they meet other workers. Slim, a kind and respected leader, Carlson, who complains about an old dog, and Candy, an old swamper who lost one hand. Candy has an old sick dog. Carl- Carlson shoots the dog to put it out of its misery. This makes Candy very sad. George, Lenny, and Candy become friends. George shares his dream with them. He dreams of owning a small farm with rabbits, chickens, and a garden. Lenny loves this dream, especially the part about taking care of the rabbits. Candy has some money saved, so he offers to join them. They plan to buy the farm together, but Carly causes trouble. He thinks Lenny is slugging at him, so he starts a fight. Lenny does not want to fight, but George tells him to defend himself. Lenny grabs Carly's hand and crushes it. Carly is angry and impressed. One day, Lenny is alone in the barn playing with a puppy. He accidentally kills it by petting it too hard. Carly's wife comes in. She is lonely and starts talking to him. She lets him touch her soft hair. Lenny likes it and holds on too tightly. She gets scared and screams. Lenny panics and covers her mouth. He shakes her and accidentally breaks her neck, killing her. Lenny runs away to the river, just as George told him to do if he got into trouble. When the men find Carly's wife dead, Carly wants revenge. He gets a gun and leads a group to hunt Lenny. George knows Carly will hurt Lenny badly. He also knows Lenny cannot understand what is happening. So George goes to the river to find Lenny first. At the river, George talks to Lenny one last time. He tells him about their dream farm one more time to make Lenny happy. While Lenny looks across the river and imagines the farm, George takes out Carlon's gun. He points it at the back of Lenny's head and shoots him. George kills him George kills his best friend to save him from a painful and cruel death. The story ends sadly. George did what he thought was the kindest thing he could do for Lenny. Slim understands and comforts George, telling him he had to do it.